Hey everybody, welcome to my latest listing. I am at 30 Peach Street here in Healdton, Oklahoma. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home sitting on 30 acres. That's right, 30 acres. The greatest thing about this property is that it's completely secluded, as you can tell with the treed driveway. It's just gorgeous. This home is 1,920 square feet, featuring 2 living spaces, and off to the right you can see one of the 3 bedrooms right there. You do have the 2 separate living spaces, giving you room for a family room and a living room. The home does feature a wood-burning stove to help keep you warm on those cold winter nights. Most of the home has been remodeled, but unfortunately plans had changed, so there are a handful of projects still needing to be done. The home has an open concept living room, dining room, kitchen space, and the kitchen does feature tile countertops with a gas range. They do have a propane tank, which is also used for this tankless hot water heater as well. They did replace the full hot water heater, giving them more space in that pantry. At the end of this hall, you can see that we have a utility room for your washer and dryer setup. And then off to the right is the master suite. This is a good sized bedroom with a bathroom and a walk-in closet. Across the hall from the master suite is another bathroom that's been fully remodeled with dual vanities, an oversized garden tub, which I would just love to sit and soak in, as well as a luxurious shower setup where you can actually set the thermostat for the water temperature of the shower as the raindrops come down to wash all of your stress away. Right next to it is your first bedroom, and here is a shot of the second bedroom. This shop has 2 oversized overhead doors for access to the interior and has a 25-foot overhang in the front here for additional parking. The shop is 50 by 30 feet, is fully insulated, and has a 510 unit to help keep it cool in the summer and warm in the winter. It also has a half bath to wash up and take care of business. Plenty of room inside to take care of many projects. The property is also being sold with a 20-foot Connex for additional storage space. Next to the shop is a 30 by 30 converted workshop. This has been converted into a secondary living space, perfect for a multi-generational living situation or secondary income. The backyard has been fenced off. It's about a half an acre to 3/4 of an acre. And within that is the chicken coop that you see right there. But plenty of room for your loved ones to be let loose into the yard without having access to the full 30 acres. This back porch is by far the piece that my client will miss the most. She loves sitting out here, drinking her coffee in the morning, watching the deer come onto the property, and during the day or at night, they have a television out there so they could catch the football games. I hope you've enjoyed this tour of 30 Peach Street. If you are looking for more information on the home or would like to schedule a personal home tour, please be sure to reach out to me. All of my information is on the screen right now. I would love to have a conversation with you, whether you're looking at 30 Peach Street or even just looking at moving to Southern Oklahoma. Thank you so much for joining me.